Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted contacts in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the phone app. Now here click on contacts and then click on 3-dot more icon. Now here click on recycle bin, and from here you will be able to see the deleted contacts. So to restore these contacts, click on edit and then select contacts, and then after selecting the contacts, click on restore. Now these contacts are restored. So that's how you can restore deleted contacts in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.